how you make me feel. Oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey y'all, this is Kel. Hey. So I am back to do another wig video for you guys, and excuse my hair disclaimer. Now, since I cut my hair, I have been wearing my hair in twists. These two twists, I either twist it all the way back and tuck it, or I will put my hair in the bun with the foam bun thing, right? Which, you know, is my natural hair. It's gonna get frizzy, whatever. And so that's what I've been doing. But today was like, oh, you need to redo your hair, you about to be on camera. And I'm like, I'm about to do a wig video, like what we doing? So this is it. And I'm about to do a half wig video, so I need my hair out. So anywho, I just want to do a disclaimer for somebody to say something about my hair, and then, you know, I don't want to go there. But, you know, anyways, the wig that I have for you today is Vella Vella Bounce Bob wig. And I have her in the number 2. Of course, I will be putting her on the side so you can see her. So crazy thing about these half wigs, so when I first started my channel, it was about my natural hair, and I was always wearing half wigs because half wigs were so much easier for me to do. So I have so many half wigs that are cringy now, and I look absolutely horrible. But anyways, they are all in my, you know, collection back in the day. So I'm like, okay, I want to start doing half wigs again because that's what I used to wear. And then of course this half wave craze just happened out of nowhere. And I was like, okay, which I understand, you know, this is a shortage of lace and blah, 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 blah. So now we have these half wig, human hair wigs that's coming out. And I was like, well, you can just get a synthetic one. And most synthetic half wigs be under $20. So that's what we gonna do. We gonna do half wigs right now. So this wig has been very, very popular since Is That Your Hair redid it. So it was a craze back in the day. I've seen everybody doing it, and I thought she was so cute then, but I never copped her. And then of course Is That Your Hair did her, and now it's like I'm re-seeing all of the videos. So this is her, and I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited. Like, of course, she has this texture, the texture. Look at that. And she's the exact color of my hair, which I have her in number 2, so I'm so excited. I've literally had her for months, so she's been sitting in my closet. So, her insides, she does not have that big comb in the front, thank God. She has one small comb in the front, and then she have one comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Yeah, with the adjustable straps. That's it, y'all. Which, okay, stop paying. That's it, y'all. Which, I'm all for that. I am over them combs in the front of y'all head. In the front of my head. It hurt. And so, I'm so glad she does not have a big comb in the front. And so, let me stop rambling and actually put her on. Because, yeah, let me shut up. Let me put her on. Alright y'all, I'm back with her on. I have plucked her out as good as I can. You know what I mean? Now, I'm just showing y'all what it would look like on the sides, because I have different plans for this wig. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like if you want to wear it on the side. I really just have her on my head, so she's on my head. I plucked her out, and this is what she looked like on the side, which I think she's cute like this. Super, super, super duper cute like this. if you wanted bangs, because I'm not cutting this wig, because to cut this wig would mess up what I wanted to do with her. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and go ahead and put her on up here. Like that. Like this, like that, like Miss Tabitha Brown say, like this, like that. And now we got bangs. We got bangs. Yeah, that one would need to be cut, but now we got bangs, and she's really cute like this. So if you want to cut her and shape her to have her have bangs in the front, she would be absolutely beautiful. But what I want to do with her is put her in a half up, half down style. I want a top knot with the hair out in the back. So that's what I'm going to do. So stay tuned for that. Okay, y'all, I'm finally back with the third and final style. I showed you guys how to do it to the side, how to make your little faux bang, or if you actually just want bangs and you want to cut the bangs, cool. But I wanted a top knot, so this is my top knot. You're gonna have to play around with it just a little bit, just because of the fact that the curls are a little shorter in the front, because it's a layered. She kind of got layers to her, so you're gonna have to make sure you mold that top knot the way you want it to be. But that's probably as good as it's gonna be tonight, because it's 2:55 in the morning, so I'm going to bed. But I really wanted to get this video out for you guys, because I really wanted this wig. And shout out to Is That Your Hair, because she's the only reason why I bought this wig, and I've seen it 3-4 years ago, but she made me actually buy it. So this is her. So this is Vella Vella Bounce, and I love that she only got that one singular comb in the front, and she's so big and she's so fluffy, and she mimics natural hair to the T, to the texture, to the way she feels. Like, she's still soft, but she still got some sturdiness to her, if you know what I mean. And she seems like she's going to look better the older she gets. So this is $15, I believe. This is $15. It's probably gonna last you a good 2 months. So I think y'all should go ahead and get this one. This one it. I'm floored with this one. I'm loving it. And you can wear it in so many styles. I actually wore the bang for a minute, walking around my house, and I was like, okay. Even did a TikTok with that bang. I was like, okay. I almost didn't want to do this, but I said I was gonna do it, so I did it. So I really do like it. Do I need to tie these edges down just a little bit? I do, but I'm about to go to bed, so I'm not. But of course, if you would, I would even gel this down instead of using the edge control. I do plan on washing my hair tomorrow. I think it's gonna be tomorrow. Hopefully it's tomorrow. But yeah, so this is her in all of her glory, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like the styles. Let me know in the comment section which style you like the best. And yeah, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you like it, tell me what style you like in the comment section. If you don't like it, if you do like it, go ahead and share this video with all of your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to me, because what you doing? What you doing? You ain't doing nothing. It's 3 in the morning, you ain't doing nothing. Subscribe to my channel, honey, and then watch some more while you're at it. And then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.